Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'll be your guide on setting up Your Freedom VPN with UDP settings for a smoother and more secure online experience. But before we get started, make sure you've watched my previous video on configuring your account settings. The link is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Let's begin. First, open your browser and search for SSH/SSL. Click the official website link, and when you reach the homepage, look for the menu list and select Free VPN. From the app list, find Your Freedom VPN and click the Download button. A new page will open. Click the Download button again to start the process. Once downloaded, install the app on your device. After installation, launch the app. You'll land on the home screen. Here, click on the Configure button located at the bottom right. Next, tap on the Account Information button. If you don't already have an account, don't worry. I've made a full tutorial on creating one. You can find that link in the description. After your account is ready, return to this screen. Now, click on the Connection button to set up your connection preferences. In the Connection Mode section, select the UDP protocol from the list. Enter a valid port number, and in the Tweak settings, choose the tweak that best suits your network performance needs. For the UDP server, click on the Wizard button. On the next page, check the UDP box to load the UDP server settings, then click the arrow button to proceed. Log into your account, and once again, click the arrow button to move forward. Now, return to the app's home screen. You'll see the Start Connection button. Click on it to establish a secure VPN connection using UDP. And there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide on setting up your Freedom VPN with UDP settings. For more tutorials, check out the Your Freedom VPN playlist on my channel, where I also cover topics like DNS settings, proxy settings, free trial setup, and how to import or save config files. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Until next time, stay safe and enjoy your newfound online freedom with Your Freedom VPN.